Hi, welcome to Ginger Snaps.
Welcome to Ginger.
Oh no, here's Cartoony. Hi kids, welcome to Ginger Snaps.
Well, hello and welcome back. Ooh.
Hi and welcome to Ginger Snaps.
Today we're going to be eating IKEA foods. Ooh. Not all the foods because my bank account has a limit.
And I can't eat most foods.
True. We got 5 things to try.
And we'll be trying to pronounce Swedish names.
First things first, Page Ost.
Yeah.
Page Ost, it's a cheddar cheese and leek pie.
Like most quiche.
I prepared this earlier, so it might be cold. Look at that cross section.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
We should become a STEM channel. Taste it, swirl it around in your mouth, just...
I should preface this with the fact that I got my wisdom teeth out on Monday.
So she can't chew very well in the first place.
So if you just saw me chewing like this, that's because that's all I can do. You can't go wrong with cheese and onion. It tastes good. I like it.
Now to cleanse her palate, we should... No.
We're gonna do some Munsbit oat smoothie. To me this sounds disgusting, but oat smoothie seemed interesting and the internet might explode.
I'm only allergic to wheat, not gluten.
Who cares? Oh, it's tartar than expected. It tastes like really bad candy. Next thing's next.
Why are there 2 missing?
Sorry, oh my god.
Oh. Next up, we've got Sochsak Scum Top.
I don't know, you're the one who took Russian. I mean, this isn't Russian, but...
This is Swedish!
Show it in the box! That sounds disgusting, but look, we plated it.
It's basically...
It's soft marshmallows with cocoa flavored coating.
It's chocolate covered marshmallows.
To eat it with the fork.
Oh, we gotta... Hang on, I wanna do it this time.
Oh, no. I'll let you do
Oh
this.
no, oh no!
Okay, ready?
Alright, hang on. Oh.
That's a criminal.
Yes. Oh no,
Just put the fork down. Just leave. Oh my god.
Oh, come on.
Just leave the fork! Oh my god, you suck! You made it so much worse.
I wanna eat it!
Are you high?
I'm just so tired.
You chose the worst way to try to eat it. It's marshmallow and chocolate. You can't really go wrong.
Except somehow I did. What? Sorry, I fell asleep for like a half a second there. This is Christian Regale. Pomegranate apple sparkling juice from concentrate. It's trying to sound classy. I say we just use broken glass to cut it off.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Oh god. I got it in time. Say it. Chill it. Are you supposed to chill it as long as you say it? Regal!
Regal! Regal!
Regal!
Regal!
Regal! I don't know if you're supposed to actually roll the R's. Regal! We're gonna use my fancy new IKEA cups with plates.
The lady at the checkout said it reminded her of the Mad Hatter's Tea Party. No, I need more.
Oh my god, Ashlyn, you don't even know if you like it.
We must cheers. Like proper ladies. I like it.
I like it.
That was partially because I couldn't keep my mouth up.
Are you having a stroke?
I might be.
Well, that's all we bought to eat at IKEA. Did you eat the entire marshmallow thing?
Yeah.
You're disgusting.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. Well, that's all we bought to eat at IKEA. So, thanks for watching.
As usual, this has been Ginger Snaps.
And bye! Stop watching, there's no more video.